This conference will now be recorded.
Was to create 2 VPNs, right?
2 VPC.
Yes, VPC, I mean.
Yeah.
Okay, so I created 2 of those, but the IP you gave me was not letting me do it, so I just created my own like custom IP.
Okay, no problem.
I don't know why, but it was giving me an error, like not letting me go through the next step.
Okay, no problem.
And you even told me to create 2 subnets, one private and one public for both VPs.
For each
VPC.
VPC, yes.
So here are those. Same thing with that. It was not letting me use the IP you suggested in the email.
Yeah, but once you have created different range, right? Your VPC. So
Okay.
you should create different one, no problem on that. You can. Oh, so you have created 2 VPCs. Yes, it is good.
Here are the
Good to
2
see.
subnets, private public for VPC1 and private public for VPC2.
Okay. So you make it a public, private. Okay, good.
And for EC2, for launching the instance, I was able to get to the partition part where you have to make the private key. If you can see here, I
You
created one.
downloaded it.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
But I don't know how to log in now. That is where I'm stuck.
Okay. Have you downloaded? You have Putty, right? Okay, good.
Yeah, I
You
have
have
Putty.
Putty. Okay. So go to the console now.
To the console, right?
Yeah, console. Yes.
Okay.
No, close this session, cancel and exit. You have in the DMA, right? Near your DMA. Open a EC2 session, bro. Go to AWS console and log in it. Open EC2.
Okay.
Okay, in that go to instances. No, you are 2 running instance you have, right? Click that.
Okay.
Okay, so click first one. So we have a public IP. So okay, copy that IP. Open the security group. Have you whitelisted your IP? Open the security. You have security groups right here. Open that security group in one tab. Right click the launch wizard to.
Launch instance.
Yeah, no. Go to security group. Down below arrow. In instance itself, bro. In instance description, you have security groups, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Open that in one tab. Okay. What is the inbound? Have you allowed your IP first?
Oh no, I didn't do that.
All traffic. So no problem. So all traffic, it means anyone can access your server, but it should not be always all traffic. Edit your security group. Give in custom. Give your IP. Go to custom source. You have in drop down it in source.
Okay.
Drop down my IP. So what the system will do is it will automatically capture your IP and place here.
Okay.
If you go on browser, if you type what is my IP, it will give this only.
Okay. So save now,
So
right?
save it. Yeah, save. So you are allowing 22 port only to your IP, not to global one. You got it right?
Okay.
Okay. Now go to instance. You copy the public IP.
This one, right?
No, not this. No. Go to instance and copy the instance public IP. First one you click. Okay, copy that instance public IP. IP4 public IP you have, right? Below
This one,
that.
right?
Below that, IP4. That also will work, but we can copy
Okay.
below IP. You have a copy option there. Click that. That's enough. Yeah,
Okay.
that's all. Copied. Go to Putina. You have to paste here. Okay. Oh, go to SSH. No. Go to SSH. Click that.
Mm-hmm.
Go to auth. 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 Yes.
Okay.
About that. Click that. You have browse, right? Go to browse and browse.
Okay, and
In
select
that,
that file.
where you place the key, desktop, right? Test. Open.
Open.
You now open it. Yeah, open. Yes. So what is the username for Amazon is always EC2-user.
EC2
EC2 hyphen user.
hyphen like that.
Hyphen. No. Hyphen. Yeah, user.
Okay.
Enter.
Oh, okay.
Now put sudo sudo hyphen
Mm-hmm.
I space hyphen I. It will go as a root user. I.
Okay.
It will go as a root user. Okay.
Okay.
So now you logged in the system. Okay. So here you can create a new user for you. Once you create a new user, you can able to log in via new user itself.
Okay, but you use the same IP, right? All the time.
Yeah. What
This
is
one, the fifth.
okay? What the problem now is, you have to choose the public IP of. Oh, give me a minute. So, bro, it is a public IP, bro. We have a concept called elastic IP. If you go
Okay.
drop down, minimize that. In left tab, you have an option called drop down elastic IP.
Okay.
Okay, what is the difference between an elastic IP and a AWS public IP is, if you don't choose a elastic IP by default, it will automatically will create a elastic IP, public IP for all the instance. You have not chosen any public IP, right? It automatically created a public IP for that server.
Okay.
Okay, that is called AWS public IP. What is the flaw in that is, every time you restart your machine, that IP will change.
Oh, okay.
So if it is an elastic IP, if you create an elastic IP and allocate to that instance, even you restart the machine, it won't change. That is the advantage of elastic IP. Every time your machine IP changes means it won't work, because it will be configured in multiple places. So
Okay.
whenever you restart your machine, if it is changing, we need to change in multiple places. So mostly what people will do is, they won't go for AWS public IP. They will create a IP and map that IP to that instance. So now can you create a IP from me? Allocate a new address. Amazon pool. Yeah, allocate.
Okay.
Oh, click on that IP. Click. So we have created an IP. So how to allocate to that instances? In go to action,
Mm-hmm.
associate
Release.
address.
Associate.
No, release means it will go out from pool. It won't be available. We need to associate to an address. Associate it.
Okay.
Click. So here it will give instance. So we need to drop down the instance name. Always tag your instance, Sham, else we won't find which instance is what.
Okay.
Okay. So now you select F1. I just F1 we have logged in.
Okay.
Okay. And give a allocation now. No need to private API. Either one is enough. Instance or not reassociation. Reassociation, when it comes is, if the instance is already having elastic IP, but again you need to change your IP means, then the reassociation will come.
Okay.
You are selecting your public IP, right? It will be already associated to a instance. So we need to reassociate means it will remove from the older one and attach to the newer.
Okay.
Then it is a fresh IP, right? So we no need to do a reassociation. Then do associate. So we have created IP. Now go to EC2 instance tab. Close it. Go to EC2 instance. Now refresh it. Your IP got allocated to a again system F1. If you click that, you can able to see 3.219.
Okay.
Okay. Can you restart your first machine? Can we can able to see the IP changes in first machine and second machine? Restart the both the machines. No, restart it. Na. Go to the instance tab itself.
Okay.
Select the both the instances in that. Go to select both in action. Go to action.
Mm-hmm.
Instance state. Reboot.
Okay.
So previously your IP was 54.166.196.14.
Uh-huh.
First, okay, we can able to see the change.
Okay.
Go to action. Go to action. Stop. We can better stop and start. Go to state. Stop it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, stop. Wait a minute. It will stop. Once it is stopped, your IP will be get released. Let's see that.
Okay.
But your elastic IP will stay in your machine, but your public IP will be public DNS IP will be released.
Okay. So Elastic is more like private. I have access to it, and public is basically anyone can go to it.
No. Elastic IP also can be globally accessed. What is the
Okay.
only difference is it will not change IP even you restart your machine. But the
Okay.
public IP, can you see the IP got released for first instance?
Yes.
But the second instance is not changed. It is having elastic IP. Now you start your machine.
Yeah, it did change.
It changed, right?
Yes.
So that's a disadvantage of public DNS IP. It will keep on change
Okay.
whenever you stop and start your machine. But the IP should not change at all because your IP will be configured in multiple places. If you configure this IP in your DNS, if it is changing every time you restart, that's all. Its site will go down.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So we will always to the elastic IP. That's a concept of elastic IP. The IP won't change at all. Whenever even you restart your machine, the IP will
Mm-hmm.
stick to your machine.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
good. So you have launched two instances, right? One is private, one is public. Is it or both are public?
Uh, I think both are public.
Okay, can you launch a private machine for me?
Launch another instance.
Yeah, launch a private one. Always try to use existing security group. You are always trying a new security group. It is giving launch wizard 3, right? Go to previous state. In down you have previous, right?
Okay.
Always select an existing
Oh,
security group
select
and
that.
try to use it. We have
Select
done
any
your
any of those.
launch wizard 2. Give a drop down because we have whitelisted only that IP in that security group. Drop down it. In
Which one?
right you have a right when you have a scroll
Oh,
option, right? Do that. You have launch wizard 2 where you have whitelisted your IP. Always, if you are giving your IP, give a description. It's sham home address or someone address. So we will come to know which IP is what. Okay.
okay,
There is an
okay.
option called description.
Mm-hmm.
When you always do a additional entry in your security group, try to tag it, describe it. What is it for? Because sometime we will do for production IP whitelist. Someone they'll remove unconditionally. Then what will happen? All the connection will be stuck. So always tagging or naming it is important.
Okay.
Okay. Now review and launch. No existing key. No need to create a Y. Always creating new one. Or we always use a
Existing KPI.
existing key because we have already created, right? EC2 test one. You have only
Uh-huh.
created this,
Yes.
or you are using test only you have downloaded, no?
Yeah, I'm using test.
Yeah, then select it and acknowledge it and launch the instance. Okay, so it is started. We can wait till it launch. Click on the instance ID. So it is okay, Shyam. We also have another important status check. Okay, go to the
Uh-huh.
status check. We after description you have a status check. Okay, what is, can you do the read of both the stuff? What is the first status check and what is second status check?
First is initializing and second is initializing too.
No, but what is the two? What the two steps is doing? You can see the status check is 2 bar 2. It will come. What is the status check is actually, Sham? You are spinning a instance, right? In backend, what it will happen is from VM machine, it will create a image. From that image, it will launch a machine. Okay. So what it will happen is the first level of check is whether OS is correct or not. It will check the
Okay.
OS is correct, OS is good. It will check the level 1, check the AWS system required to ensure they are functioning properly. Is everything
Okay.
is okay with the system. In second one is your software and network connective between your system, right? Your whether it is connecting to properly to the system, the route is properly enabled for the instance, it will check. If the both the instances passed, then only you can able to log in your machine. If one of the system failed, you can't do. Sometimes the hardware will be failure at the back end. What it will come is it will come 0/2. Both the system, both the test is failed. Why it is doing both the health check is it will ensure that your instance is healthy. you can able to log into your system properly. If one of the system failed, you can't able to do. Can you understand?
Okay.
So we will wait for your status check.
So that both has to be running too.
Yeah, both should be off. Okay. Refresh it now. You first both the system passed. You no need to reload every machine. You have to right click, reload it. Go to status check. Your system reachability check is passed. Your instance reachability system is
Check it
passed.
first.
You
Okay.
can in above you can able to see your status check 2/2 is good. If
Okay.
it is not green, there will be a amber symbol. 1/2 check, because one system would have failed.
Okay.
So in that scenario, what we will do is, in backend your hardware will be failed. What we will do is we will just restart your machine. By restarting your machine, the visualization technique, what it will do is it will change your hardware. It will bring your new hardware. Once we restart the machine, your system will come to 2/2.
Okay.
In some scenario, what will happen is your OS will not be good. Okay, so the system will not come up at all. So we need to change the OS totally in that scenario.
Or you can do that too, like if you want to change the OS after creating the
Yeah.
whole instance.
No, while creating, if it is not working, we need to again launch a new instance with a
Oh, okay.
change of space.
Okay.
That particular version would be a bug, or some file would be misplaced. Then the system will not log in. If the OS corrupted, it won't log in, right? So the
Yes.
status will be failed.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. 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 So go to description. Description. Not the status check. You are in status check tab, man. Below. Go to scroll up your tab.
Oh.
Description.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So you have created a private machine, right?
Yes.
Okay. Copy that public IP and go to putty. Create a new one. Close it. Go to SSH. Auth. Browse. Desktop. Yeah. Key. Open. Open. Have you created in public, private?
Uh,
It should not log in at all if it is a private.
I'm sorry.
Uh, Close it. Cancel it. No need to log in. Okay.
Okay.
Go to the subnet. Look, open in a separate tab the subnet ID. You are seeing in description itself, right?
Mm-hmm.
VPC, below VPC, your subnet ID is there, right?
Yes.
Open in a tab. Go to route table. Internet gateway is there, man. How you told it is a private? I told you to launch in a private only.
Oh, yeah.
So you need to tag no while creating subnet itself, it is a private or public. So see,
Okay.
you are unable to find which is private, which is public. So go to both the subnets you have created. Drop down. So with help of VPC, go to the instance tab. Go to instance tab. No. Yeah.
Instance tab?
Yeah. Go to instance tab. You
Where is
already
it?
opened it previous tab, right? In previous tab. Browser tab, man. Browser tab.
Okay.
In browser tab, not this one. In this page itself. Yes. What is your ID? 923E5, right? Go to subnet now. Next tab. Yes. 923. Drop down the subnet. You have created a different subnet actually. It is not in your VPC itself. You
Oh, so
understood?
yes, so we have to make a connection first.
No. You created in a different VPC. You have not created the VPC. You have created two subnets, right? Public, private
Uh-huh.
of VPC. See the ID of the subnet. It is totally different one. Both. What you have created is 92E3. It is
923.
a VPC you have created itself. It is a default VPC. VPC 91D7B08.
Okay.
So terminate the old instance. Try to launch a new one.
How to terminate those?
Can you open the click the two instance above? All you created in the default VPC? No. Uncheck. Check one by one. All uncheck all. Okay. Go to drop down description. You have created all the instance in default VPC. Sham. I told you to create in a VPC. You have created.
Okay.
So terminate all the instance now. No, click in the above tab. So all the will be checked. Check button. All the will be
Mm-hmm.
checked. Go to action. Go to instance state. Terminate.
Terminate. Okay.
We know need this. Launch a new instance. Okay, before launching, I need to see your subnets first. Go to the subnet. Go to VPC1 subnet public. Yeah, go to route table of that. No, just go drop down. I need to see the entries by
This
year
one?
itself. Okay, there is no internet gateway attached for public. How you told you have created a public? Why there is no internet gateway?
I didn't create any gateways for the subnets.
I told you to create an internet gateway, not NAT gateway, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go and create an internet gateway now. Name it as a VPC1. For each VPC, there should be an internet gateway. It is for individual VPC. Okay, create it. Click on that IGW. Click. Okay, in action, attach to a VPC. So select your VPC1 and attach. So you are attaching your VPC to do this internet gateway. For each VPC, there should be a separate internet gateway.
Okay.
Got it?
So
So
for VPC,
VPC2,
you need, I'm sorry, for VPC, you need like first VPC, then subnets and gateway.
yes.
Okay. If what else you need if you want to go like further?
For VPC2, you need a separate internet gateway.
Okay, for VPC2. Got
For
it.
each VPC, there should be a individual uh, internet gateway and NAND gateway. It should be a unique for each VPC. So we have created for VPC1 now.
Okay. Same
So
thing for
what
VPC2.
we need to create another internet gateway. Create an internet gateway. Tag it as VPC2. Create. Then what we should now do once we created a
Uh, Attached to VPC.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
So we have created a internet gateway now. Always go to up the left scroll, bring it up, left scroll, left scroll, man, left one. The internet gateway is there, right? Bring that scroll to up. Yeah, bring it up. In select VPC, there is a search icon, right? Select VPC. Yeah, select VPC1. So we won't get confused. Only VPC1 details will be always there. Okay. Go to subnet. So we have created two subnets. Okay. For public subnet, to make it as a public, what we need to do?
Actions.
No.
Maybe route table.
Yeah. Open the round table in a new tab. Associate. Route. Go to route. Go to routes.
Okay.
Add an internet gateway here. Edit routes. Add route. No, you should give input. What is the input for internet gateway?
The ID.
No, ID will be target. Destination what? Yesterday
Oh,
I told you.
VPC1.
No. For global connection, what is the ID? Destination 0.0.0.0.0/0.
Okay.
Always for internet gateway, you should give this only. In right,
Okay.
internet gateway. Drop down, internet gateway, VPC1. Save it. Save your routes. Okay, close it.
Okay.
In subnet association, go. No. In route table itself, subnet association is there. Route table.
Sorry.
Yeah, subnet association. So there is no subnet associated to your public, right? So
Mm-hmm.
edit subnet association. So which subnet you need to, which subnet you should make it as a public? Select it.
This one.
Yeah, select, drop down, save.
Okay. Hello.
Sham, you there?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, do that.
Okay.
Oh. Alamak. So have you done it? Subnet association is done, right? So
Mm-hmm.
go to route table now. So you have only one route table, right? So create a route table for private. This route table for public.
Okay.
So
So one more for private.
go to create route table. Name it as a private route. And select your VPC1 dot. Okay, and save. So you got a route table, right?
Mm-hmm. Click on that now, right?
Yeah. Click. So go to routes. So you by default you have an entry there. This is called local. Go to subnet and associate your private subnet here. Edit association. Save it. That's all. You have associated one subnet to public, one subnet to private on
Private.
each route table. You understood,
Okay.
right? Very clear?
Yes. Yes. Now I understood.
Okay. Now, good. Now launch your instance. Launch instance. Oh no. Go to configure instance. Go to third tab. Go to configure instance. First you have choose AMI is there. Second choose instance type is there. In third you have launched it. Sam?
Yeah, I did.
Hello,
Yes. Hello.
Sam.
Yes.
No. I told you to stop. Delete it. You have not chosen your VPC at all. Again, you're launching in default VPC itself. You should not do right. You should select your VPC. Select your sub.
Hello.
That select your VPC and select your subnet.
You say private one, right? Hello. Hello.
Yeah. First, initially we can launch a public, then we can launch a private.
Okay. That's all now, right?
Yeah. First, initially we can launch a public first, then we can launch a private.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Sham. We can launch a public first one. Then we can launch a private. Launch a public instance. Select a public subnet first. Always tag Sham. Tag the instance. You are forgetting to tag it. Name it as a public server. Also, you are creating a new security group. As I
Oh, I
told,
get it.
use previous security group itself. So because every time you need to put a entry of your exit IP. If you choose existing one, we no need to do that.
Okay.
No problem. You in action, go to action. Go to action.
Mm-hmm.
In top, you can see the action, right? Go to the action.
Okay. Here, right?
In go to network. In action, you can see network, right?
Yes.
Go to change security group. Remove the wizard. Okay. Okay. So it is a new VPC, right? So you have created that VPC in that security group. So no problem. We can use launch wizard to for itself. Click the launch wizard. So this is the option to change your security group. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Assign security group. Open you that security group in new tab and add your IP there. No. Here you can't do. Here only enable and assign security group. That's it over.
Okay.
Okay. In description, you can see the security group ID. Open the security group IP in a new tab and whitelist your IP.
This one, right? Uh,
No, that is the AMID. You have security group as launch wizard 4. Security group. Above schedule event, you can see, right? Security group launch wizard 4.
where are you seeing that?
Yeah. You can see, right? Security groups in descriptions. In that launch wizard 4 is there. Open that in the new tab.
I mean, where are you seeing it? I can't see it. Hello.
Go to inbound and edit. In custom, make it as a drop down as my IP. Go to custom.
Custom. You mean type?
No, not type.
Oh, sorry.
Source. My IP. So save it.
Okay.
Description. Always remember to always do a description whenever you do that. Put sham IP. That's all. So this is a every routine you should follow for every time. That's it. Okay, go to the instance now. Check whether it has came up. Now go to Elastic IP because it is not having any Elastic IP. So we need to associate the Elastic IP to it.
Mm-hmm. Same one, right? Or a new one?
So we have already associated Elastic IP. We have terminated the instance, right? So it will be in free state only. Go to action. Yeah, select that. Go to action. Associate.
Associate.
Select the instance. That's all. Say no need of private IP. Any
Okay.
one is enough.
Associate, right?
Yes, yes. Now refresh the EC2 tab. Your IP will be allocated to the instance. Copy the IP and put in the putty and log, try to log. Go to EC2 instance tab, instances. You can copy here also. Copy instances. Yes.
Okay. That is it, right? Or you want to add anything more? Hello.
Have you logged in? Have you pressed the IP and give the key?
Yes, I'm in the machine. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Praveen, is there anything more I have to do?
Yeah, you log in, right? Try to ping google.com there or 8.8.8. So it is reaching. So it is as a public. Now what you do is try to launch a private server with a by giving cancel this Control C and go to the console. You don't disconnect this connection. Let's keep this connection in putty itself.
Okay.
Okay, go to launch an instance, launch a new instance with private subnet. Use existing security group. Please wizard for yes. Have you go to next one? You have not tagged the instance. Go to tag, add tag, fifth point. Tag, yeah, tag, add a tag here. Edit tags, add a tag, give name, capital N-A-M-E. Select that. In that value, give private instance. VPC1 private instance.
Okay. Review and launch, right?
Yeah, review and launch, yes.
So now you want me to SSH the private IP, right?
Try to ping that server from this server.
What about the status check? Because it says it's initializing.
Yeah, yeah, well, let's wait for that. Let's wait for that.
Yeah. And after that, you want me to ping this private IP, right?
Yeah, bring this private IP from that public server.
Okay.
Refresh the page.
Still not. Yeah, it's still initializing. Okay, it's done.
Try to ping now.
Yeah, it's thinking. It's not pinging, right?
Yeah, it won't, because in security group we have not allowed it. Even if it is a private between communicating between same subnet, in security group we should allow. So go to security group, allow all traffic to your VPC range of IP. So what will happen is, from all private IP from your VPC, we can able to reach this server. That's it means. Go to security group and add an extra line of, if you left you have a protocol in all traffic. In after that, in source give your VPC CIDR range.
Here.
Yeah, in security group you have a wizard 4, right? Open that wizard and add
Uh-huh.
a rule in that. In the left side, you will have a drop down, all traffic protocol. In source, give here VPC1 will have a CIDR range, right? What is it? 10 dot some slash 20. Give that range.
So in the SSH my IP, right?
Yeah, yeah. In below that, add a new line.
Okay.
Add a new rule.
All traffic.
All traffic, and the source should be your VPC range. 10 dot some slash 20 we're having that, give that tag, and in description give that local connection enabling. That's all.
And the IP for VPC1, right?
Yeah, VPC1 10 dot slash 20, right? Your range, CID range, give that.
I think it was 16.
Okay, give 16 then.
Okay. And for custom,
Sorry.
the source has to be custom, right?
Yeah, custom. Yes, custom.
Okay. Okay, started pinging.
So it start pinging, right?
Yes.
So what it means is, we are giving the VPC range. Any IP from this VPC can able to reach this server. You understood?
Okay.
We can also whitelist only one IP. What is your next other server private IP can be also given. So, but every time we can't give individual servers. So what by default we will do is, we will whitelist all your VPC IPs.
Okay.
Okay. So what we are going to do is now SSH into that server. You have downloaded the test.pem file, right? Copy that pem file, open in your editor and copy and paste in your server. Open that pem key into your text editor, copy that,
Okay.
copied,
And
right?
with
So now
yes.
go to your server and do a vi test.pem, enter. Once you entered, the file will be opened. So put a type I, then paste it.
I forgot how to say how to save it. I think like that, right?
Yeah, save. You need to save a file in Linux system, right?
Uh-huh.
Save it.
Oh, I didn't save, I think.
Vim, you open a file, copy, paste. What you do is shift colon. If you type shift colon, then do a X and enter. Then it will save. You are putting I, right? It will come to insert mode. Once you paste it, give a escape and type shift colon. Is it working?
I think it did save, right? Uh, I
Due
used
to,
to.
yeah, you saved it.
Let me check. Yeah, I think.
So okay, give permission to that file now. Chmod 4000 and the file name. Chmod 400 file name. Give space for all. Chmod
Give me.
space double
Sorry.
four
Give
double
me one
zero
second.
space
Okay, what was it?
chmod space
Uh-huh.
then 400
Uh-huh.
space then the file you have saved, right? Some file name test.pem. Give the
Okay. That's it.
enter. Yeah, done, right? So what you need to do now is ssh hyphen I, that file name pem dot, the test.pem file name, then give EC2 hyphen user at the other server private IP.
EC2 user,
EC2 hyphen user at the rate IP address of the server you need to connect.
the VP2, right?
Server 2. We are pinged that server IP, right? Give that server IP.
Okay.
So now we enter.
It's asking me enter passphrase for key test.pem.
Just enter.
It says permission denied.
So have you given any password for creating this? Passphrase
No,
pass.
not in create any password.
Bro, which file you edited? You kept in desktop. That one you copied?
Yes, here is the one.
No, not that one. That is a PPK file, right? I need to copy you. I told you to copy a PEM file.
Oh, I'm
The
sorry.
while you creating a file would be downloaded, right? .pem. Copy that file and paste there.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Is there a way where I can delete the whole thing?
You can see in downloads, bro. You have downloaded file, right?
No, no, yeah, I got that file. It's right here. The
So you copy that, open a text editor and copy the content and paste in this editor.
okay, it's done.
So you're logged into the server?
Let me try that now.
Yeah, right.
This it still keeps saying permission denied.
What command you have executed? SSH-I.
Test.pam EC2 user and the IP 10.0.1.61.
EC2 user at the rate IP address, right?
Yes.
You should not. You have deleted the old file and gave new one, right?
Yes.
Then it
Are
should
you
connect.
here is the one, right? This is the one I just did.
Due to poor internet, I'm not able to see your command. Can you type in a command and give me so I can
Okay.
see that? Or I'll try to reconnect. Give me a minute.
Okay.
Bro, can you go to the putty?
Can you see it now?
Open the desktop file. Um, VS Go to the file and delete all the lines. Go to the file.
Sudo vi the file name, right?
Yeah, file.
I don't know why it keep creating a new file.
It is giving only read only. Just close it.
Closing is Control X, right?
Exit the file. Why it is going to read only? Yeah, Control X. Yes. Put a exit. Put a exit. Come escape in your keyboard now. I will type shift semi shift colon give shift. Quit. Yes, quit it. Yeah, do that. You are inserting actually. You should escape, then do that. Shift colon WQ. You are in insert mode. Give escape, then do that.
I don't know why it's not going. Okay. It keeps creating a new file. I don't know why. Hello, Praveen.
Give me a minute. Mission. Do we have that access here, sir?
I'm sorry.
Can you give control to access that putty?
Control what?
In go to can we able to do that?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you properly.
Give me a minute. Oh, just a minute. Just a minute. Can you hear me now? Can you put cat the test.pem file name? Cat cat space the test.pem file name.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear.
Okay.
Give cat test.pem cat
CAT.
space test dot. Can you make it the bigger? I can't see. Okay, so you have pasted two content, bro. Say okay. Open. Give vim test.pem file. Can you give vim?
I'm sorry. What was it?
Vim space test.pem file.
Okay.
Okay. Give 1000. Enter the 1000 number. Then give dd. Don't give insert. Don't give insert. Escape it. Escape.
Mm-hmm.
Give 1000. Then give dd. Double D.
It's not going.
Okay. Give escape.
Uh-huh.
Give control dd. Continuously give dd. Give that.
Okay.
Give. Don't give shift D. Just double D.
Control DD, right?
No control. Without giving control, give dd. That's all.
Okay.
Try to delete all the lines. That's what I'm saying. If you give dd itself, it should delete. Why? I don't know. It's not deleting for you. Give dd. Deleting now. See, every line deleted.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, every line is deleted. So now give
Uh-huh.
insert. Copy that pem file test.pem file. Then now paste here. Give an insert now. Insert it.
Yep.
Go to first line. Go to. Have you copied correctly? Because you have not given insert, I guess. No. Go to up. Use up arrow. Go up. Yeah. No. First line copied. Right? See the first line. First word is missing. So escape. Begin is not there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So copy again. Do a delete. Complete d every stuff. Escape it and delete. Now give a insert button. You have insert option right in your keyboard. Give that. Or give I command. I type. Just alphabet I. Okay, now copy and paste it.
Okay.
Okay, save it. No. Escape. Then shift colon. Give X. Okay, no problem. That also will.
Okay.
Okay, now use that command SSH.
First do stream mode, right?
Already we gave permission, right? We are not creating a new file. I give it.
Okay. Yeah. I
Got
mean,
it?
yes.
So now try to ping google.com. It won't reach, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Yeah, it's not reaching.
Why it's not reaching? Can you tell me?
Because we have not released the IP.
No. In which subnet you have placed it?
This is the private IP
So
for.
it won't to internet.
Oh yes, it has no internet. Correct.
So to make it as internet, what we should do?
The masking.
Yeah, NAT. Go to NAT gateway and create a NAT gateway. Select the public subnet of VPC1 because NAT gateway should need a public, right?
Yes.
Good, good. It will automatically will create a, yeah, that's all. It will create a NAT gateway. So NAT gateway created.
Mm-hmm.
So what we should do once NAT gateway is created?
Connect it to the private subnet.
Exactly. We can wait till the NAT gateway came to up. Click the NAT gateway ID. So it is in pending state. So we will wait till it is in run or up state.
Okay, it's available now.
Okay, got it. So go to the route table of your private subnet. Edit the route table. Edit. We need to do edit, man. Add a route. So what we need to do to globally allow it. So previously you have done for NAT gateway, right?
0.00.
Yeah, yes.
That's an ad gateway, right?
Yeah, yes. Save the route.
Okay.
So go to
Yes, started thinking.
that's all, man. You got the concept of NAT.
Mm-hmm.
So you know so how you are attaching your route table and bringing the instance public, right? So this is the
Okay.
difference between a public and a private subnet. So we have launched two different in two different public subnets. So we have got internet token. So what we can do in next class is actually, so we have created, oh, you delete all the instance, it will be charging. So delete the NAT gateway is bit costly. So try to delete now itself. So to reduce your billing, delete all the resources. So in the next class, what we can do is we can create an instance in VPC1 we can create an instance in VPC2. After peering, how we can able to connect, we can see that. Okay.
Okay.
So now today you are good with this, right? Public subnet, private subnet, launching an instance,
I won't,
elastic IP.
yeah, I won't say 100%, but I need like a little bit more practice on this. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'll do it by
Tomorrow also.
myself.
Yeah, yeah, you won't be 100%, but you now able to launch an instance. You are able to edit your route table, so you can. So in go day by day, you can increase your steps, man. So it's good.
Yeah, I
Now you
need like more
done this.
practice, but I have a basic idea of how to do all this stuff now.
Good, 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 good. That's enough for
Yeah.
that now. So tomorrow, what we can do is we'll create two different instances in two different VPC.
Hmm.
Meanwhile, what you're doing is you delete all the instance, delete NAT gateway. Internet gateway is not cost, so you don't need to delete that. So try to what we can do. Okay,
How to
tomorrow we
delete
can
it
do.
though?
Sorry,
How to
more
delete all
call.
the instances?
You previously done right? How we have deleted? So select to running instance.
Or you mean to terminate it?
Yeah, terminate is delete.
Okay.
Terminate. Go to NAT gateway. Also delete it. Delete it. Go to elastic IP. For elastic IP, if it is attached to the instance, it is not charged. If it is available for free, then it is charged. So release all the elastic IPs. First one you can't release due to it is attached to some NIC card. So I'll check which one is. Remove this. Release the ID. So that's all. So it won't charge now from now. So tomorrow class, so we'll launch two different instance in two different VPC and we will check the peering of that.
Okay.
Also,
Got it.
tomorrow we can check multiple EC2 stuffs are there, so we can check on all this.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Today you are
Okay.
good, right?
Yes.
What you have done, you are okay, right? You are very
Yes.
clear what you have done.
Uh-huh.
Good, good, good. Okay, tomorrow we can continue on what we will do. Okay, today we can end the.
All right.
Yeah, man. Thank you, chef.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your patience.
Yeah, always.
Okay. Have a good one.
Have a great day. Bye.
You too. Bye.